Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
From time to time has been of great value. In fact, the presentation that Mrs. Verma made just now on the textile and garment sector, I think this was also prepared in active consultation with him. And the party, of course, has said that they don't share Dr. Swami's view. I would also add one more fact. From the point of view of discipline of Indian politicians, to what extent should we attack those, the discipline and constraints of whose offices prevent them from responding? And this has happened more than once.
Yeah. Next question. Yeah, please, sir.
Sir, I'm Ruchi Bhatia from ET Now. Just wanted to ask a follow-up to that question. Do you think perhaps it is time to rein in comments from people like Subramaniam Swamy? He went ahead, attacked Raghuram Rajan, and now the Chief Economic Advisor, who's one of the own from Finance Ministry.
Well, thank you for the suggestion.
Yes, Sapna. Yeah.
About SUC charges, the fact that there'll be a fresh round of consultation at the TRI level, after which you'll be deciding what is to be done. So what's the expectation in terms of the spectrum auction? When can we expect that to roll out? Also, so far the reserve price for the 700 band generally is on the higher side. What call will be taken on that in terms also of accretion to the government coffers, anything on that? And also, Verma ma'am, you mentioned about the export figure, how much, $30 billion is what we can expect in terms of accretion on the textile policy. But there are various numbers that I've mentioned there. Could you also just, kind of give us a number again, if you don't mind? Prasad sir first.
Well, as far as, thank you, Arunji. As Honorable the Finance Minister has stated, that the Cabinet has approved the entire proposal, laying down the road map for auction of spectrum, the biggest ever in the department. But on one specific issue, as Honorable FM very rightly clarified, that the TRI has repeatedly recommended a particular slab. Certain issues which the Telecom Commission thought requires to be consulted with the Attorney General. The Attorney General was consulted, and he said a flat rate for past, present and future may not be very, very appropriate, legally speaking. Therefore, he has taken a call, and the Telecom Commission accepted that call in the light of sound legal advice of the highest law officer. What the Cabinet has done today, because that particular advice and the consequent decision of the Telecom Commission was not referred back to the TRAI, only that limited referral shall be done. We hope that referral shall be responded to by the TRI at the earliest. As regard the pricing part is concerned, we don't sit in judgment over the pricing. The entire auction is done in a fair, honest and transparent manner without any reference whatsoever of the government intervention.
Yeah, I'll come back. I'll just let me finish and I'll come.
Sir.
Whom he will identify, I'll respond.
So this is Gaurang Sinha from ET Now. So just to follow up to our initial questions, some believe perhaps that you're in fact real target of these comments which are coming in. And do you believe they take away from the integrity of the office?
I've already answered this question.
Arunji,
I've already answered the question. I have nothing more to add.
I think the integrity of Shri Arun Jaitley is impeccable. We all know him since the student days. His transparency and integrity is unquestionable.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, this is of course, sir, here, right here. So 2000, it's a very large quantity of spectrum that will be put up for auction. But a lot of people in the industry feel that there is not that much of an appetite from the industry to actually buy
such a large amount. My second question, sir, is in terms of the spectrum user charge that a regime change is going to happen, are we going to move towards a flat rate going forward? Do you envisage that situation to simplify SUC charges going forward and move to a flat rate going forward?
Well, I think I have already clarified that there was a recommendation of a flat rate. The Telecom Commission thought needs some legal advice. I have explained that. So let's await the result of the fresh referral, which will be very shortly done. As regard the appetite is concerned, I can only say the appetite of India's telecom sector is too big. And the rising mobility, a number of mobile phone, 102 crore plus digital India coming in a big way, all are going to create a very powerful ecosystem for fresh commercial business proposition also.
Yeah, Arunima.
Yeah, Mr. Jaitley, sir, this is Arunima from CNN News 18. It is reported that Raghuram Rajan did not seek a second term as RBI governor because the government did not defend him when Mr. Swamy attacked him. Now that this attack on Arvind Subramaniam has begun, is there a message going from the government specifically to Mr. Swamy to desist from such personalized attacks?
Well, the premise of your question is incorrect. I had categorically spoken on the subject when a comment was made against the governor of the Reserve Bank. Even the party president had specifically stated that the party does not agree with that comment which was made at all.
Yeah.
Well, that's a matter for the party to decide, and the party has already expressed its view today.
When will the textile policy, the package come into effect, given that there are also tax benefits that you're talking about? Will there need to be changes that have to be brought about in the Act itself? And also, is there any revenue threshold? Will it benefit all textile manufacturers, or is it limited to a few?
The special package which has been approved by the cabinet today is meant only for the garmenting sector, and this is for the additional employment which will be generated in the garmenting sector only. This is focusing only on that, and we will be formulating now schemes based on the decisions taken in the cabinet today, and it will be implemented very soon, within a month or so.
Yes.
So going back on the spectrum auction, what are your revenue expectations from this auction, and when we can see the auction begins?
जैसा मैंने पहले बताया, ये हम सबसे बड़ी मात्रा में स्पेक्ट्रम को उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं। तो ऑक्शन होता है। हमें लगता है कि बहुत ही अच्छा ऑक्शन आएगा, लेकिन ट्रांसपेरेंट तरीके से ऑक्शन की प्रक्रिया में मुझे लगता है कि हमें अच्छे रिटर्न की उम्मीद है, रेवेन्यू रिटर्न।